Students, let's start with the practical part of table tag. Now I'll show you two practicals in which we will have all the tags and all the attributes of table tag, whereas row span and call span we will use in different example. Let's have a look. Let's start with our table tag example. HTML head, title, slash head, body. With all these tags you all are familiar. Now after body tag, table tag, which is the new tag which we have started. Table, border, you all know, to specify the border of the table. Border color, to specify the color of the border, and then BG color to specify the background color of the table. Height and width we can use to have particular height and width of the table, and then if I want to align my table in the center or right, if I'll not use this, by default my table will come at the left hand side, but if I want that it should come in the center or in the right, according to that here I can write the particular option, center or right. Right now I want it in the center, so I have written center. Now look at the next tag, that is caption. On the top of the table, whatever the heading you want to give, that you can write along with the caption tag. TR stands for table row. What you are going to define in your table rows, that you will write TR. First will be the headings. TH is the first heading, that is name. TH address, second heading. TH phone, second heading. With this R, one row will be complete. So here I am opening the TR, and then after completing one row, I am closing the TR tag. Now I have to define the second row. Again I'll start with TR tag. TD1, TD Divya, that is the name of the person. TD Kailash Nagar, that is the address. TD, that is the phone number. On the top you can see all these things we have defined: roll number, name, address, phone. Okay, according to that I have entered the data in the second row. Similarly, you can enter the data in the third row, and then you can enter in the fourth row, and so on. The number of rows which you want to specify, that totally depends upon you. Then closing the TR, closing the table tag, and then closing the body tag, and then closing the HTML tag. Now let's see its output. You can see the caption tag, we have written student details. According to that, caption is coming. This roll number, name, address, phone, as we have mentioned them along with the TH tag, that's why it is coming in the highlighted form. Then we have 1, 2, 3, these are the rows, and these are the different data which we have entered in the different cells. According to that it is coming. Now let's go to the second example. Now let's look at the second example. HTML head, title. As I told you in the beginning, that this particular example we are practicing for row span and call span. So on the top, whatever the tags are given, you all are familiar with these tags and attributes of table. So this particular example I am using with row span and call span attribute. Border, border color, BG color, width, height, align, equals to center. These all things is very much clear to you in the previous one. Caption is also clear. Now TD row span equals to 2. That means I want to use my 2 rows in the single one. I'll show you how it will appear in the output. Just look at its output. See, this is the roll number. This is name. How 2 columns has been spanned so that your content should be fixed there. Here also you can see that this Hindi, Maths, English, Science, for this also we need to merge our columns. So according to our content we have to adjust. For that purpose we can use row span and call span. Now let's look at its coding. Start with the HTML head, slash head, body, table border. all these tags and attributes you all are familiar. TD row span equals to 2, roll number. TD row span equals to 2, name. TD roll span equals to 4. Why I need to write here 4? Because this particular column I am using for writing 4 subjects. So on the top I am writing marks obtained in different subjects. Then TD row span equals to 2, that will be for total marks. And then TR, and then again I am starting with the next row, that is for Hindi, Maths, English, Science for different subject names. And then TR content, I am going to write first roll number, then name, and then marks of the 4 subject as well as total marks. Like this I am going to enter 3 roll numbers, right? This is your roll number 1, and then this is your roll number 2, and this is 3. And then closing the table tag and body tag and then HTML tag. So let's see its output now. This is output of the coding. So I hope table tag is very much clear to every one of you. Don't forget to do the practical of the same. Thank you.